Welcome to the last part of the log file parser project. So till now we have seen each and every function one by one. So this is the last function, that is the log statistics. So let's see the task, whatever we have to do here. So the task is basically we have to update the log statistics function to achieve the following. What all should we achieve is read all log entries from the file using if stream, that is basically in read only mode. Then we have to open if the log file is empty, then we have to say no log found to analyze. If it is existing, then we have to count the total number of logs. Log containing info as the level, warning as a level, and error as a level. So these are the three things we have to see. So let's see. We have to first open it in the read only mode, and then we have similarly once again we have the string line and vector called logs. Here we have to start reading it line by line. You have to push each and every line to the vector logs. This time no filtering, just directly pushing. Now after that we check if the log is empty. If the log is empty, then we say no logs and found to analyze. Now if the log is present, then we take the info count as 0, warning count as 0, and error count as 0. Till now we have not encountered any log with the level info, warning, and error. Then we start iterating to each and every log in the whatever the log vector logs is there. Then we check if it is matching with the info. If the particular word is matching with info, then we increase the info count. If it is matching with warning, we increase the warning count, and then if it is matching with error, then we increase the error count. Then finally we say total number of logs is log size, total log size of that vector. Then info, warning, error individually. These are the count of the different levels of that particular log. So let me run the program. This was quite simple. I'll generate some file. Alright, now I have to enter the file, that is view log statistics. So you can see total logs is 6, I have generated 6, info log is 4, warning log is 1, error log is 1, most recent log is also being displayed. Let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you want to practice more set problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. You can always practice these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try, and the test cases have passed, and I'll see you in the next C++ project. Thank you. Thank you for watching.